Welcome to Shoot Moment. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to add captions and turn them into single-word captions like this using CapCut on both Mac and PC. First, add your video clip with the soundtrack to the timeline. I will select a part of a previous video tutorial to demonstrate the process. Go to the Captions tab and select the Auto Captions option. Select your language from the drop-down list, then click Generate. You will see the captions being generated by CapCut. You can easily modify the text using the Text tab. Before making any changes, be sure to select the text first. Now, I will show you how to create single-word captions from the text. Select the text and navigate to the Captions tab, located under the Animations tab. Click on Bounce Out, and that's it. You will see that the single-word captions have been successfully added to the video. If you want to modify them, select a single word. Navigate to the Text tab and customize it however you like. You can also experiment with text templates, bubbles, and effects to enhance your text. Alright, this is the end of today's tutorial. If you learned something, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking the video, and sharing it with your friends. Don't forget to check out my complete CapCut playlist to learn more.